this exciting gathering hosted by Mesa Philippines. Pakpakan naman natin ang Mesa Philippines. Of course, we also have Pepsi Cola Products Philippines Incorporated or PCPPI. And PepsiCo. Alright, so this is going to be an exciting day for all of us. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nikki Viola and I will be your host for today. It's such an amazing moment for me because I'm a big fan of these brands na kasama natin ngayon. And it's also great to see familiar faces, yung mga media friends natin because I'm working in the media as well. So thank you for spending your morning with us. And now, as you sign in and settle down, please feel free to enjoy the welcome beverages. We have our appetizers. Ayan, served na sa inyo, courtesy of our partners, PCPPI, PepsiCo, and Mesa. So we're so thrilled to have you join us for the celebration of partnership, heritage, and flavor. And we have a fantastic program ahead. So ready po ba tayo lahat dyan?
Yeah!
Right, okay, so truly, kagaya na nakikita niyo sa inyong mga tables, mas masarap, maiba with Pepsi. And today, we'll show you exactly why, alright? So let's officially kick off today's program. Once again, I am Nikki Viola, and it's my absolute pleasure to be here with all of you from the media, our esteemed guests, and our partners from PCPPI, PepsiCo, and Mesa. And today, we're spotlighting a collaboration built on shared values, Filipino pride, food excellence, and refreshing innovation. Mas masarap, maiba with Pepsi. And we're inviting you to experience just that throughout today's event. Alright? So, of course, don't forget to share your moments using our official hashtag. I can see all of you kanina. I was observing na lahat kayo nagshoot na. Yeah. So we would love to see your videos and photos. So do not forget our official hashtag for today. Mas masarap, maiba with Pepsi. So let's get this celebration trending. Ayan. So to start, let's hear from the team that's redefining the Filipino dining experience across the country. Representing Foodie Global Concepts, home to iconic brands like Mesa, and here to share more about their culinary journey and commitment to innovation. So please welcome Foodie Global Concepts and Mesa Philippines CEO, Mr. Eric Thomas D.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone. Good morning po.
Morning!
Good morning everyone.
Morning po.
So for familiar faces, hello, kamusta? For people that don't know me, my name is Eric D. I'm the CEO of Foodie Global Concepts and Mesa Philippines. Well, story time muna. So Mesa started back in 2009. For those of you that don't know, this restaurant actually started off as an ihaw on your table restaurant. And look at us today, now in 2025, with 80 stores strong, and our goal to hit 100 stores, hashtag road to 100, by hopefully end of this year. And we're looking forward to that. Now the question is, why are we here, right? We're here because we're, first of all, grateful for Team Pepsi. Thank you very much for being here, and also thank you guys for being here. We're here because we wanted to share with you the official launch of an exclusive partnership between Pepsi and Mesa Philippines. We have an exclusive partner with Pepsi to serve all Pepsi drinks in Mesa stores, all 80 Mesa stores, and as we hit the 100 stores. And why Pepsi? Because I think we share the same goals. We want to conquer the Philippines. We're very aggressive. And I'd like to thank you guys for the trust and the support. Now, tanong ni Ding Dong Dantes, may sasarap pa ba? Ang sagot ko sa kanya, yes. Mas may sasarap pa with Pepsi. Thank you.
Alright, yeah, thank you, Sir Eric, for that wonderful moves this 2025 and how this partnership with PCPPI and PepsiCo fits into that exciting journey. So next, let's hear from the team that quenches our thirst nationwide, representing Pepsi Cola Products Philippines Incorporated, here to share more about the beverage landscape and this timely partnership. Please welcome PCPPI's Chief Commercial Officer, Mr. Lyndon Cuadra.
Hello, good morning everyone. Yeah, but I'm going to talk about beverage landscape actually. So, really very glad to be here, and thank you to Sir Eric D, CEO of Foodie Global Concepts. Of course, Sir Raymond Tinilian. Thank you for the trust. And of course, our PepsiCo friends, our partners in PepsiCo, Cap, Ara, and colleagues from PCPPI, Mesa, staff, and management, and of course, you guys from the media. Really appreciate you coming over really to celebrate with us this, for us, a really momentous occasion. Just share with you a brief, probably background or history for myself personally. Before when I was in Cebu, Mesa was like not really exclusively Coke or Pepsi, but we were like serving Mesa in Cebu, and it was really dear to me. And then it was in Ayala Terraces, and of course Ayala was strictly exclusive to our competition. And when we go to Mesa, it's really a place where we bring our guests, not only here in the Philippines, but also our foreign guests. We bring them at Mesa. And of course, the experience has always been superb. And I'm really, really glad that up to now, even before this occasion, we'll be eating in Mesa, same experience. So congratulations to the team. We have been looking forward really to partner again with Mesa, really on a national scale, really, because I think Pepsi and Mesa has two big things which are in common. Innovation, really big for Mesa. Just like Pepsi, we're big in innovation. And of course the boldness of the leadership team, which we feel is very relevant to PCPPI and PepsiCo. So again, many thanks to Sir Eric and Sir Raymond. We're really looking forward to not just partner to the next 100, but also globally, we'll be there to support you. And congratulations, but again, thank you.
Maraming salamat for that message, Sir Lyndon. Okay. So, syempre, alam ko, again, we would like to thank all of you for being here with us. Alam ko medyo maaga po, but again, we are very grateful with your presence. So now, let's turn up the fun with a quick and exciting trivia game. Parang, yung tinulong sa trivia game, okay, ito na po tayo. Alright! But, this is going to be really, really exciting, and don't worry, kasi for sure masasagot niyo po lahat ito. Kung nakinig po kayo sa mga messages kanina, alright? So we've got 10 questions lined up about Mesa and PCPPI, and we're giving away some prizes. Who wants some prizes this morning? Woo! Ako din po. Pwede mo sumali din po. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so here's how it works. So I will be reading a question na maka-flash din po dito sa ating screen. And if you know the answer, mag-raise po tayo ng hand, and then pupuntahan ko po kayo so that you can tell me your answer. And pag tama po ang inyong sagot, bibigyan namin kayo ng prize agad-agad, okay? Yeah, so let's see who really knows their stuff and who listened to the messages kanina and who's ready to prove that it's truly mas masarap, maiba with Pepsi. And make sure to, yung sa mga mananalo po later, make sure to flex those prizes online as well with our hashtag mas masarap, maiba with Pepsi. Ayan, at titignan po namin yun later. Of course, we would love to hear and see all of your experience here this morning online. Alright, so are we ready for the first question? Yeah! Okay, so tatabi na po tayo dito. Ayan, para makita nyo rin on screen. And let's move forward with our question number 1. PepsiCo and PCPPI have worked for more than 70 years already. PCPPI is celebrating Black Years this year. Don't worry kasi multiple choice naman po ito. Ayan, may choices po tayo, so let's show. Is it letter A, 31, Letter B, 36. Letter C, 37. Or letter D, 32. Alright, okay. In 3, kung may sagot po, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Sino po ang nakakasagot? Parang wala pang nag-raise ng hand. Okay, sige, ano lang po tayo, don't worry. Ayan, ipag-pray po natin. Siguro, i-feel natin, ano kaya yung nabifeel yung tamang answer? Okay, sayang po ang prize. So, kung ano man po ang inyong hula, nakita ko may mga, si Ma'am. Si Miss Tina. Hi, Miss Tina. Okay, ano po ang sagot ninyo? You think and you feel it's letter B, 36. So, is it correct? Yes, it is! Congratulations! Ayan, thank you po. Okay, congratulations, ma'am. Let's move on to the next question. What is the newest? Parang ito naman siguro, may kadalian naman po itong tanong na ito. What is the newest Pepsi variant? Is it A? May nag-raise na po ng hand. Ang galing. Hi, sir. Talagang paying attention. Okay, what's your answer po?
Pepsi Zero Sugar Lime.
Wow! Pepsi Zero Sugar Lime is correct! Congratulations! Hindi ko pa binagit ang full choices na sagot na po agad. Okay, next question. What is the latest Pepsi campaign? Is it letter A, mas masarap maiba? Letter B, Pepsi pinasarap? Letter C, Pepsi hit sa sarap? Or letter D, mas pinasarap with Pepsi? Okay. yes, kayo po? Sagot kayo. Yes, ano po?
Mas masarap maiba.
Tama po kaya ang mas masarap maiba? Mas masarap maiba is correct! Ang galing naman po ng ating media guest. Okay. So let's move on with the next question. I feel like all of our guests will be having a chance to win a prize naman. Alright. Across the Philippines, PCPPI has multiple manufacturing plants from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And as of today, how many plants does PCPPI have? Okay. Is it letter A, 11? Letter B, 12? Letter C, 13? Or letter D, 14? Si ma'am? Hello, ma'am. Good morning po. Ano pong inyong sagot? 12? Tama po ba ang 12? 12 is wrong. Alright. May chance po po. Okay? Okay, ayan. Sige ma'am. Si ma'am parang gusto niya i-try. 14? 14 is wrong. Okay. So, dalawang choices na lang po. Okay. Let's go. Letter A, 11. Gusto ko yung may pagdududa sa kanya. 11. But, tama po, 11! Congratulations. Talagang may question po yung pagkakasip. 11? Parang ganun po. Okay. For our fifth question, ito, favorite question. Favorite question. Kasi, favorite ko rin yung answer. Favorite ko rin yung answer. Okay, who is the latest endorser of Pepsi? Is it A, James Reid? B, SB19? C, Alan Richards? Or D, Donnie Pangilinan? Yes po. Yun na po, final answer. Final answer, SB19? SB19 is correct! Favorite natin lahat yan. SB19. Alright, so we're now down to our last 5 questions. Game pa rin po ba lahat? Game pa? Okay pa? Alright. Okay, so, again, if you have your winning moments, if nakuha nyo yung mga prizes ninyo, you can post it online or your stories. And do not forget our hashtag, mas masarap maiba with Pepsi. Alright, so let's move on to our 6th question. Mesa is one of the best stops for Filipino dining experience in the metro. It initially opened its doors here in Greenbelt 5 way back in what year? Is it A, 2010, B, 2009, C, 2008, or D, 2015? Oh yes, I am busy. Okay, let's go back. Final na po ba yun?
Yes.
2009 po. Ang inyong sagot, hula lamang daw, pero tama po, hula rin daw because 2009 is correct! Alright, ito na po tayo sa ating next question, please. For 12 consecutive years, Mesa has been awarded as Black by Philippine Tatler. Is it A, most service-oriented restaurant, B, most innovative restaurant, C, best customer service award, or letter D, best Filipino restaurant? Okay, sino po nauna? Si ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Let's go.
Best Filipino restaurant.
Best Filipino restaurant is correct! And everyone can agree with that. Best Filipino restaurant talaga ang Mesa. Alright, congratulations, ma'am. Next question, please. It is a Filipino chicken soup made from fresh ingredients such as coconut, water, leafy vegetables, green papaya, garlic, ginger, lahat po pala na ingredients, lemongrass, and fish sauce. Taste Atlas recognized this dish from Mesa as the best tasting among others. Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Is it chicken bilacol?
Ito po ang mga choices. Pininyahang manok, chicken tinola, chicken binacol, chicken pami, and chicken binacol is correct! And kung mapapasin po yung actually nasa labas po kanina, nakalagay po ito. So thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. Next question, please. Black is a well-known GMA, Kapuso star, and Mesa's... Okay, si Sir. Sir, okay, ito na. Sige, ito ang mga choices. Jericho Rosales, Dennis Trillo, Alden Richards, and Ding Dong Dantes. Sino po? Siyempre, ang Kapuso star na brand ambassador ng Mesa. Ding Dong Dantes is correct! Ayan. Alright, and for our last question. With currently more than 70 restaurants operating, Mesa's goal to expand its reach within the country and abroad is Black. Nabanggit to, Mr. Eric kanina, okay? Is it letter A, road to 100 restaurants? Letter B, best of 150 restaurants? Letter C, yes to 100, or letter D, chain of 150 restaurants? Si Ms. Didi, yes?
Road to 100 restaurants.
Road to 100 restaurants is correct! Congratulations po, and let's give a big round of applause to our winners! And thank you for being so game, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po for the energy sa ating trivia game. And, you know, at least we all learned something new today from Pepsi Blue, from Chicken Binacol, and all other information regarding this partnership. So now, let's officially start and let's officially mark this partnership for this morning. So may I call on the executives from Mesa, PepsiCo, and PCPPI to join us in front for the signing of the partnership agreement. So let's first call Mr. Eric D., Chief Operating Officer of Foodie Global Concepts. Alright, here po tayo. Next, we have Sir Raymond Federigan, Vice President for Operations of Mesa Philippines. Dito po tayo, sir. Next, we have Sir Lyndon Quadra, Chief Commercial Officer of PCPPI. Here. Next, we have Ms. Katrina Suarez, Marketing Manager for Carbonated Soft Drinks, CSD of PepsiCo. Mangosing, Associate Vice President, NPHP Accounts, Pepsi-Cola Products Philippines Incorporated. Alright, so may you please be seated already. And of course, before you sign the contract, could everyone please take a quick moment to look at our cameras in front? Ayan, okay. Mas masarap with Pepsi. Palakpakan naman po natin, of course, for our partnership. And now, let's okay? Okay. More. Let's sign the documents already. Okay. A quick photo up first before we proceed with signing.
Yeah, we need to view this.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you can go ahead and open the folder.
Alright.
Alright.
What a great partnership with Mesa and Pepsi. A round of applause once again. Ayan. Congratulations. This is going to be really exciting for everyone. Alright. Thank you so much. And now may we request everyone to please stand up and raise our glasses, or in this case, our PepsiCo beverages right here.